Well, I've been having some great fun out here at the Fall 2020 Railroad Meet. Let me get this train uncovered here and we'll take it for a ride. And we got air pressure. And we need to lube up the mechanism on the bottom. Master switch on. And here's our cab control. Voltage is good. Our radio. And our water gauge. Pressure. And this is our forward and reverse. Reverse, forward. There's a little coal bucket here for storage. And this is the main control rod here. Here's our speed. I've got an auxiliary horn and lights. Got our bell here. And got our horn up here. And we should be ready to go. All right, it's about 20 to 11. We're heading out to the Far Flung subdivision. Well, we're at about the halfway point. Here's the yard where we left, and now we're out here. Give you an idea, this is just one of the multiple subdivisions we have here at the Railroad Club. It's quite a big place. And it's about 11:25 right now. Got to head back, so let me get on the radio and we'll take off. This is number 3, leaving Neuter's Nest, inbound on Far Flung. Well, it's 12 noon. Here we are back at the yard. And sadly, it's time to pack up and head for home. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.